Hi friends, this is one of the famous printer from the Epson company. This printer model name is L380. Actually, the printer problem, what happened is it's a strip problem. The header strip. Actually, don't know what happened, but hope just look at here. I just move. There is one white color strip is there now. This strip at in the beginning it caused some problem. So we have changed the strip from shop and bought a new strip and changed the Epson header strip. So then this is the old strip. Hope you can look at the tiered strip here. Don't know what happened, but the strip is tiered, so the head is not moved when it gives printing time. So bought a new strip from the shop and put it back in the printer head. After that, what happened means now the printer head is moving very fast. Look at now. I am going to connect. Here is the power cable is in behind the printer and just giving the power supply and switch on the printer. Now look at that. If I switch on the power button, this happened. Don't know what is the reason behind that. Some people says that there is a head sensor moving strip here. No, this is caused the problem. I don't know whether while I am changing the printer head I made some mistake or not, but this happened. So now I am going to try to fix the problem in this. Hope I will resolve this problem ASAP as soon as possible, and I will put another video how I solved this problem. If I didn't solve the problem means I don't have ability to solve this problem means then I don't put this video. Hope guys, if you have any idea or knowledge about this issue, I will once again I will put the problem here. Just to look at that. Now just to switch on the printer, and I am just switching on this. Just to look at this. Yeah, this problem. Now I will look again and put the video back.